will talk about how can you enable sound control on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings here. You click on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on sound control. So when you click on sound control, it's going to show for you list like this. You come here to sound control, click on it. Then like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here sound control enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.